Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic that everyone's buzzing about: how to gain followers on Instagram. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, a brand, or just looking to boost your social presence, we've got some awesome strategies lined up for you. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, so you never miss out on our content. Let's dive right in. Segment 1, optimize your profile. The first step to gaining followers is setting up an eye-catching and informative profile. Your username should be memorable and relevant. And don't forget that profile picture. It's your brand's face. A clear, high-resolution image works wonders. Your bio is prime real estate. Use it to tell people who you are and what you do in a creative and concise manner. Incorporate relevant keywords to make your profile easily discoverable. And hey, don't forget that link. It's your golden ticket to drive traffic to your website or latest content. Segment 2, content is king. Now, let's talk about the heart of Instagram, your content. High-quality photos and videos are a must. Use good lighting, composition, and editing techniques to make your posts visually appealing. Consistency is key. Create a posting schedule and stick to it. This keeps your audience engaged and expecting your content. And remember, it's not just about quantity. Quality should always take precedence. Diversify your content. Mix up your posts with behind-the-scenes glimpses, tutorials, entertaining reels, and thought-provoking captions. This variety keeps your audience interested and engaged. Segment 3, hashtag strategy. Hashtags are like magic spells for discoverability on Instagram. But wait, don't just use any hashtags. Research and choose ones that are relevant to your content and have a good balance of popularity. This helps your posts appear in both popular and niche searches. Create a branded hashtag for your profile to encourage user-generated content. When your followers use this hashtag, their posts become a part of your community, giving your brand more exposure. Segment 4, engagement is a two-way street. Gaining followers isn't just about putting out content, it's also about building relationships. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Show them that you're not just a content creator but a real person. Segment 5, collaborations and shoutouts. Leveraging collaborations is a powerful way to gain followers. Partner up with influencers or brands that align with your niche. When they mention you, their followers might just become your followers too. Shoutouts are another fantastic strategy. Give a shout-out to your followers or collaborate with them on projects. Segment 6, Instagram Stories and Reels. Instagram Stories and Reels are hotspots for engagement. Stories offer a glimpse into your daily life, while Reels showcase your creativity in short, engaging videos. Use interactive features like polls, quizzes, and questions to encourage audience participation. Segment 7, Analyze and Adapt. Keep an eye on your analytics. Instagram Insights provide valuable data on your audience's behavior, peak activity times, and which content performs best. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to gain followers on Instagram. Remember, it's not an overnight process. Patience and consistency are your allies. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow Instagrammers. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep snapping, posting.